Okay, this is day one of conditional statements. What is a conditional statement and how are they used in math? That's what we're going to talk about today. So cause and effect, that's what a conditional statement is. It's if I do these things, then I will get a result. So like if I punch somebody in the face, I'm going to get a black eye. If I lift weights, I'm going to get strong. If I touch something hot, then I'm gonna burn myself. So that's cause and effect. That's what you see. Okay, a company puts you on hold. Now there's a commercial that came out.
When your cable company keeps you on hold, you get angry. When you get angry, you go blow off steam. When you go blow off steam, accidents happen. When accidents happen, you get an eye patch. When you get an eye patch, people think you're tough. When people think you're tough, people want to see how tough. And when people want to see how tough, you wake up in a roadside ditch. Don't wake up in a roadside ditch. Get rid of cable and upgrade to DirecTV. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
Okay, so the whole point of this video was that if the cable company puts you on hold, you're gonna wake up in a roadside ditch. Okay, cause and effect. You get angry, you blow off steam, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Okay. When the conditional statement is an if-then, so if the cable company puts you on hold, then you wake up in a roadside ditch. So a statement made up of a hypothesis and a conclusion is called a conditional statement. A hypothesis always follows the word if, conclusion always follows the word then. Okay? So every math problem can be thought of as a conditional statement that needs to be completed. This right here is an equation. Okay, they say if 2x plus 12 is equal to 24, then x equals what? So the conclusion is x equals what? If this is true, then x is equal to what? So make sure you fill in your notes, okay? So math rules that are used to connect the hypothesis to the conclusion. So how do we solve this problem in the first place? What we do is we know to subtract 12 from both sides. Okay, we know to subtract. And that gives us something, and we know to divide. Okay, so the conclusion here is x equals 12 divided by 2 is 6. So in all math definitions can be written in conditional form. So the definition of a parallel line are lines that never touch. So in a conditional form is if lines are parallel, then they never touch. Okay? So make sure you fill in, just so you know, the conditional statement definition is a statement with a hypothesis. I'm just going to write H and a conclusion. Okay, so I guess the phrase you could do is if something, then I get something. Okay, a hypothesis follows the word what? If. So you can just write if here. And a conclusion follows then. So what's the notation? We can just put then. Okay. Another way, another phrase or notation is if P, then Q. So what is P? Why did I write P? because the hypothesis is P and the conclusion is Q. Okay, and you'll see more of that. This is a glimpse of what you'll see in the future. You're going to be able to solve what X is for, right? If I know 80 is this and 40 is that and 85 is that, then I'm just going to say given, then X is equal to what? So that's my conditional statement for now, and later on you'll be able to solve this problem. Alright.